Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. Today we'll be taking inspiration from the very famous Starry Night painting by Van Gogh and we'll be modifying it into our own version of Christmas. Let's see how we can make a Starry Night Christmas painting with acrylics. Let's begin with today's painting. Before we begin with today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video, you get the notification. We are starting with the background first, and I have ultramarine blue. You can take a reference of Starry Night by Van Gogh. I have already sketched it out and I've started with the colors. This is just the ultramarine blue base layer. And here I am using titanium white for the lighter tone of ultramarine blue. The lighter color is just around the moon. I am also using a reference. So in this painting you will see we'll be using ultramarine blue mostly, and we'll be using this in tints and shades. So you will see that the blue color dominates this painting. Let me tell you something about Starry Night by Van Gogh. So Vincent Van Gogh painted Starry Night in 1889 during his stay at the asylum. Starry Night is one of the most recognized pieces of art in the world, and we'll see it everywhere, be it coffee mugs, t-shirts, towels, magnets, etc. And honestly, it sometimes feels as if the painting's fame has exceeded that of its creator. So this is a magnificent piece of art. And many people say that Starry Night painting resonates with them, and from this we can make out that how its beauty is timeless and universal. So here in this painting you will not see the exact version of the original artwork. We are going to modify it into a Christmas version. So here I am using some snow mountains. So we'll be using dashed lines or the brush strokes to make it a unified painting. Here I have taken chrome yellow for the moon. And your painting doesn't have to be exactly like the original piece. You can always make changes accordingly. Just follow your heart and let the painting do its work. So you can see here around the moon I am using titanium white, and I am also creating dashed lines with chrome yellow tinted white, and we'll be using these dashed lines in whole of the painting. And the colors of the dashed lines will vary from titanium white, light blue, dark blue, and sometimes black. And if you see this white space in the sky, this is going to be the passage for the Santa Claus and the reindeers flying to the moon. And this will also portray a trail to the moon. I really enjoyed creating these brush strokes in the painting, and I really felt that this technique is really therapeutic. Now you have known this technique, you can create a very beautiful Starry Night greeting card on Christmas and give it to your loved ones. And now we are creating stars. I'm using just the chrome yellow and I'm placing them randomly. Of course, I'm taking reference from the original artwork. And we'll be creating the brush strokes around these circles. And you will see we are creating dashed lines and marking the mountains. And we'll be filling these spaces with the brush strokes of titanium white, light blue and dark blue. In this painting you don't have to worry about the blending of the colors because the technique is very unique and it won't be necessary to blend any colors in the background. Just make sure that while you are filling the spaces, you don't leave any gaps. If you have any questions regarding my paintings or anything you would like to know, just mention in the comments below and I'll get back to you with the answers. And if you're liking this painting, also hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel as I post an art video every week. And in my art videos, you will see acrylics and watercolor painting techniques. And if you are a watercolor artist, I am posting a link over here. You can watch that link for the Christmas painting idea. And here I am creating a beautiful swirl in the sky, and this depicts the flow of the wind. You can see while creating this swirl, I have used some darker colors also. And now I'm creating some smoke from the chimney and I have used titanium white dashed lines. And now we are going to create a glow around the stars and we are going to follow the same technique, just making the concentric circles. And this is a beautiful depiction of the glow. And to make this smoke prominent, I have used some light blue color. And now I am creating the trail to the moon with titanium white, and I'll be using only the darker colors around this trail to make this passage stand out from the rest of the sky. So following the same technique, we'll cover the whole sky. So from here on, I'll let you enjoy the process and I'll get back to you once the sky is complete. Now we have started with the snowy ground. We are going to cover the hut with the dark red color, and we'll be outlining the house with black line. Here I am using a green color for depicting the grassland, and for this darker green color I had used ultramarine blue mixed with chrome yellow. And now I am making the silhouette Santa Claus on its sleigh. Please excuse me for my head in the frame. I know it is very disturbing, but I was trying to look closely to the painting and I forgot that it's being recorded, so it happened. But I'm sure the picture is clear. So now we are going to create the rest of the painting with the dashed lines. The original painting had a cypress tree at the side. We are going to create a pine tree, as this is our Christmas version of Starry Night. And you can see here I am using a flat brush and I'm using darker green color to create this tree. For the tree also I have tried to create dashed lines. I've tried to use the same brush strokes and will be creating some shadows with the darker black color. And we are almost done with the painting. Wait for the final result. So some more small trees here and there. I've tried to create a perspective, and we'll will be creating some smaller trees just to depict that those trees are far away. And here we have our final painting. So here we have our Starry Night Christmas painting. We have a Christmas tree, Santa with reindeers, and the Starry Night effect. What do you think about this painting? Let me know your views and opinions in the comments below. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for daily painting ideas. If you like my art videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post an art video every week, every Wednesday. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.